How to see your blocked accounts on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the accounts that you have blocked on TikTok. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok. This is my profile as you can see. Now you have to go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines, and after that choose settings and privacy. Then you have to choose the second option here, which is privacy. Click on privacy, and then you will have many options here, but you have to go down and search for blocked account, and here is it. Now you can see your blocked accounts from here if you blocked accounts. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.